Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off efficiency mode Windows 11 and restore full performance to your apps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. The taskbar holds the Start menu and Open Apps. Right-clicking opens a quick access menu. Step 2. Click Task Manager from the list. Task Manager is a built-in tool that shows running apps, background processes, and system usage. It helps you control resource usage. Step 3. Click the Processes tab at the top. This section displays all active apps and services. You can also see CPU and memory usage here. Step 4. Find the app with the green leaf icon. The green leaf means efficiency mode is enabled to save power. Select the app and click the drop-down arrow if needed. Step 5. Click Efficiency Mode at the top of the window. This feature lowers CPU priority to reduce power usage. Turning it off lets the app run at full performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.